Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide text in Word document, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to hide text in Word document. First, just open your Word document file. Okay, here you can see it. Okay, now for example, I want to hide this text. Just highlight it and then right click. After that, select font and then click on hidden and then OK. Now you can see the text is hidden. If you want to see the hidden text, just go here. This icon, show and hide. Click on it. And here you can see the text. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to hide text in Word document. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.